Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness and Lifestyle, and today the video is slightly different. I'm doing like a jewelry haul, but I am only showing the jewelry that I hauled recently. No, not recently. Yeah, some are recent. Some are like I guess few months back. And this is from the store which you guys would have heard this. I had heard about this. I actually came to know about this from YouTube, but I had heard this like as an online thing, but online site. But then there is a Shopmissa store here. Missa, yeah, Miss A store here, and that's where I got all these things, not online. But I think it was like kind of popular on YouTube for the site, online site, like shop. I think it's called shopmissa.com, and everything on there is like $1. And you can even get brands like Elf on there. Like there are some things from Elf also on there. And I remember long back I had picked up 2 Elf lipsticks from there for me and for my friend. So so they have Elf, and they have Clean Colors, I can't remember, but they have some other brands too. But then like the well-known brand that they have is like the Elf one, which they have some like brushes, lipsticks, and stuff like that. So I picked up just some jewelry, not really makeup or anything, just jewelry. So let me just show it. And I actually recorded this video few days back, and then I was like wanting to record some more videos, and I usually clear the whole thing because I'm always assuming that I've already downloaded everything, and I clear the card and then do it. And I completely forgot that I had not downloaded that, but then I cleared the card and started recording other videos, so I kind of lost that video. I was like, where did that video go? And I hadn't downloaded it. So anyway, so I'm doing it again. So that's why the packaging and all is not like very neat, because it's kind of messed up. Let me show these bracelets first. I picked up these 2 bracelets, real pretty bracelets. One has this black stone in it, and the other one has like this the white stone in it. Yeah, there you go, white stone, and this has the black stone in it, and then pearl, and real pretty. And I think I wore it in one of some recent videos. So pretty, and you can put them like that and then press them, and they're good to go. So I really like this one. This is like a black stone and white stone combination, really pretty. I really like this one. Only problem with a lot of them at the Shopmissa, the store, is that the rings are always having that that adjustable thing. So it is good for adjusting, but then it can get stuck in your dress or in your hair if you're trying to touch anything. So that's the only thing in some rings. So you can find the rings which have like just like the they don't have that adjusting thing. So those are, I think, much better. So this one, and then this green one, again it's like green stone, and then middle there's a white stone, really pretty. And then this black one, it's like flowers, like painted black. Yeah, this also has that adjustable. No, this doesn't have that adjustable thing actually. And then which one? Like I'm trying to look at the old ones, not the new ones. Oh yeah, this one I also had picked up at last time when I went there, I think. It's like a white stone. And then this one I picked up now this time when I went. This was like really pretty. Look at that. But these were, I think these are together, yeah. This one single one which is like just plain, like that with the stones. And then this one has this design, pretty, with the stones. So that one. And then I love this one. I wore this also on the other video, because you know, like I said, I lost that video, so I had thought like I started recording other videos, and I thought like I had that already. So this one, really pretty. This is like that antique gold style, and everything is $1. So, and this is the old one actually. I picked long back, so this, see that they have the adjustable thingy there. Now this one was long back. I don't know if I picked up from some other dollar place, but it's $1 anyway. So this one now recently, this is the recent one. This is very nice. It's just like a ring, like a, what do they call this? Like a band, yeah. And it has this heart shape. Where is the heart shape? There, right there, the heart shape there. Really pretty. And the next one is this one, and it is like a white, golden and white kind of painting over it, and stones, like all stones on it. And I thought it was pretty. It's like cones, like, you know, it's like bricky. It's really big ring. Look at that. So I just picked it up just for fun. I thought it was just like cute, so pokey, like I can hurt someone with this. So this has a different kind of band, you know, like this elastic band. This is much better. So that one. So those were basically the rings. Then I have 2 bracelets that I picked up from there. This one, it's like a thread in between, like that design, thread woven in between the design like that, and it's a brown, kind of like a brown silky, not silky actually, brown thread, and then it has stones all over here. Let me try to show it like real close up. And it's like a bracelet, and I think it goes like right correct on my bracelet here, so I think I can use it as a bracelet. I don't know if it's an anklet or bracelet, it does not say that, but so that's the one in brown, and this is the one with the black thread and then the stones, and it's all golden color. And I really don't know how this gold and all how much they would last, but this I had got long back, so I have not opened them, but in the package, like they've stayed like that for months. Like I've completely forgotten about them and kept it somewhere. So I guess they are like okay for $1. So then I picked up this beautiful set, like $1, guys. Look at that, so pretty. Ring on the top with the pearl and stones around it. Really pretty. And then this thing, same kind of locket there, pendant, whatever you call it, and a simple chain. So I thought this was really pretty. And then so that was $1, everything $1. And then I picked up, where is the other one? Another one, and this is like really pretty. I really love this. And there was another one that was elephant design, the same thing. I liked the chain in this because it has like this thick chain, so it's like a thick chain. And then I picked this pendant. I had picked the elephant one, like same thing, it's like designed like an elephant. It was really pretty. And then the eyes, it had like a black stone in the eyes, and it was like, it looked so pretty. But I was like, in between these two, I was like, okay, no, I'll just get this. It's just $1. I could have got it, I guess, but I already have so much jewelry, I don't want to pile too much. But this was a design, like it would go with a lot of my rings that I have, so I could pair it with something, so that's why I got it. But it also has this small tiny studs here on the top, 2 studs, so I can use them like for my other piercing here, the small piercing here. I can use that for that part. So that was another set. And then I got this one. This is like just a chain which I was trying to remove and try to put the like pendant in it, but So this is just like very simple, just 2 studs, and it has this this pendant, which is so like cute small pendant that came with it, and you're supposed to just put it inside it. But I am not sure, but it's like every time I try to put it on, it kind of, however I try to put this in the chain, when I put it on, it's kind of turning that side or this side. It's not like sitting properly. So I don't think they designed it well, like, you know, it's like not in a very, but I'm still gonna put it on that and use that. So it's just a simple one. So I untangled them, and like these are the 2 necklaces. Now these are not from Shopmissa. These actually I got them when I was, it's been a while. I got them when I was in like, I had gone to Colombia, like South Carolina, on an office trip. And I don't even remember what the store name was, but these were just $2 each, these chains. So I just included them in this thingy here with the Shopmissa, because, you know, they were like so for $2. So that's why, but I've never really worn them. And every time I went to wear it, they were so like tangled up, and I was like, okay, I would get like lazy to take it off and then not wear it. So now when I was like looking at all this jewelry, I was like, okay, I just removed this. So there it is, like there's one, how do I show this? So it's 4 layered. It was only $2. Look at that, so pretty. It has like this brown, not beads, they're not beads, like kind of stone looking. No, not stone actually, wait. Yeah, they're like just like metal actually, but they're bronzy colored, coated. And then the second one is like just like simple like that, and then the third one has just like a rectangle, and then this has a square. So it kind of is like a you know, like a math class, all shapes in it. So, but if you want to layer it like that and wear, it's really pretty. But I need to go and kind of keep it like that so that it doesn't lose the shape here now, because it gets tangled very fast. So the other one, I have them on my knee here because they will just they were not like sitting well. Now let me see, this is still not right. Okay. Oh god. So see, the reason why I never wore them is because of that. Because whenever I'm going, I'm in a hurry and I'm like, okay, I don't want to wear this because it's all entangled like that. Okay, so this is just 2 layer, and this first layer has this. It's just like moon shaped and it has stones on it. So yeah, so all 3 in that. Oh, I can't even hold it actually. Okay, there you go. So the first layer is like that. So all like that moon shape with the stones on it. And then the second layer has this circle, really pretty. So as you can see, there's a theme going on, shapes. And then there's like this small circle in the end. This one looks really long actually. When you wear it like that, it's like it goes really long. So it's pretty. So these 2 chains, like they were not from the Shopmissa, but I just included them anyway, just because they were like $2 each. But you can actually find long chains like this with layers even in Shopmissa. I just didn't want to buy anymore, but yeah, you can find these kind of stuff too. So that's all, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll also put their website. This is not sponsored or anything. Nobody in the world has an idea who I am, but I can put their website. Even on their website, I think everything is $1 if you can buy even like online. But I went to the store here because our mall has the store here, so that's where I went and got all this stuff. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Keep watching. Please subscribe and like and comment below and share if you can, and click that notification button, the bell icon that you see, so that you can know when my next video comes, so you can watch it. So thank you so much, guys. I'll also be doing another video on like other jewelry stuff, but this was a small haul, so that's why I wanted to just do this fast and like separately. So thank you so much for watching. Bye, take care, see you in my next video. Bye, guys.